In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter EdPuzzle. This is a tutorial, so watch it carefully. A tutorial if you use a mobile phone or smartphone or what. Okay, we open the classroom and then we go to the assignment, and there is what you call a link first, and then let's see here. Let's click this link. When you click the link, it will direct you first to, I think, to install the app. So let's just press Google and then make sure to continue to EdPuzzle. You click on the email that you use to join the Google Classroom. Email yang digunakan kalau di Google Classroom ya. Oke, kita mulai. Mister akan gunakan email Mister sendiri yang ada di Google Classroom, tapi bukan as a teacher. Okay, now we need to open app. Click the open app, and it will direct you to Play Store if it is on Android. If it is Apple, I think it will direct you to iOS. Then click install. Hopefully it will not take much memory, I think. And then, oh, it's already 16%. Oh, you can see the size. It's only 19 megabyte. Then, when we install while waiting, you can also check. Now, Alhamdulillah, it's getting over. Still verified. Remember, only install the EdPuzzle, yeah? Okay, it's done. And let's open it. EdPuzzle for students. Now, let's log in here. Just log in and make sure to log in with Google. After that, you use the email that used for the Google Classroom, and then it will show up. There are two classes for me. Then I choose the one that I already had an assignment. Oh, there is something that I need to do here. Now, you can see clearly this is the assignment that you need to do in the EdPuzzle. Make sure you cannot skip the videos. Yeah, this is the aim of EdPuzzle. So in between the videos, you have to answer some questions. Okay? Oh, look, you cannot skip the video. So you need to play again. Yeah, while waiting. And watch. Hopefully you like the video, yeah? Yes, we were talking about triangles and their properties. So, here, I think about 12 questions in between. So while pausing for the video, and then you need to ask the questions. Simple as that. Make sure after finishing all the questions, you need to click finish. Okay? It will come here in the bottom. Okay, good luck. Enjoy. Okay, here comes the first question. What is a triangle? You choose the most suitable answer, which is this one or this one. No, it cannot be both. You have to choose only one. Okay? Okay, my answer is this one. Let's click submit. Alhamdulillah, I got correct. The feedback directly comes. Unless it is an open-ended question, you can see whether your answer is correct or not. Some questions I will check it manually. Then click continue. In case you need to learn again and again, for example, you need to rewatch again the video. Don't worry, it will not come to the first part. It will only bring you to the last part. You can see, right? This is the beauty of EdPuzzle. Okay, I think